Hello, welcome back to another part of this video. This is Emmhi Buzz. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to post this on your page. The first thing you have to do is click on this plus A. So you see it has many options. So click on Reel. So after I already have the video I want to post on my page. So this one I will post on my page. So click on it. So after that, input your content and your hashtag. So this is it. So after that, click on share. So that's also wait till it's finished loading. Okay. So double tap on it and share it on your story. So click on Add to Story. So click the arrow by your So that's how to post reels on your page. Thank you for watching. Please, if this is your first time watching this video, please like it and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.